Hello, my name is Dylan Seeger. I'm the Great Lakes sales representative for BWGS. We created our line of GroXcess indoor garden essentials and accessories to help you get the most out of every dollar without sacrificing quality. Our GroXcess tents boost light efficiency while offering an enclosed growing environment. We also offer color-coded poles for easy assembly. Follow the instructions. Match up your poles with the dots here. We have them in purple and green. Match them up and follow the diagram for easy assembly. So we're standing inside the GroXcess 5x5 tent. What this tent includes is washable material on the inside and outside of the tent. We have 210D Flame A certified Mylar, 19mm diameter poles in with the GroXcess. We have dual socks up here, up top, for air circulation and ventilation. Remove the heat. Down below here is a fresh air vent that we've also included. Also with GroXcess tents come light-proof zippers as well as waterproof, along with a wraparound doorway. This allows the gardener to get side access to his garden and be able to foliar feed as well as fertilize back row plants with ease. We've also included the removable mesh view windows down here to allow for viewing as well as additional fresh airflow in high heat scenarios. Now what really sets the GroXcess tents apart is that they are true to size. In our tents, you're getting a true 48x48 or a true 60x60. To see our full line of tents and products, please visit us at www.groxcess.com because size really does matter.
That was so perfect.